A very good afternoon. First tell me, how's the Josh? Is this high? This is high for our youngsters? I don't believe this. How's the Josh? Okay, little high. It should go higher by 23rd, I'm sure. You're hungry, that's what I hear. So I give you that benefit of doubt of what is high for you. A very good afternoon to Bhimrao ji, Maitri, Dr. Deshpande, Ritesh Gawande, who has organized this program so well, Vishnu ji, Somdatta ji, and my friends, parents, media, all present here. In fact, it's an honor to be here today at Manthan for Yuva, a great platform for you all, definitely to compete. But more than competing, I think so, you are showcasing your creativity, your talent, your mind, your ideas to Nagpur. Subsequently, the best ones, I'm sure, would go to the world after performing in India. So best of luck to all of you. I just went through the exhibitions of two exhibitions, Ideathon and Hackathon. और क्या बताऊं, मजा आ गया. It was beautifully arranged, but the way you all are showcasing your ideas so brilliantly, that is something which is applaud worthy. Thank you so much. It showcases another side of you all. कुछ stalls जो मैंने देखे वहाँ पे children were telling the judges as to how to improve the traffic situations. At another place, it was about women's dignity. At some place, it was how to take care of emergency situations. So I think so. This is what India needs from you. This is what India needs from the youth. What it needs is your new ideas. Yes, we have got a huge transformational change in terms of technology and social conduct, in terms of AI, in terms of biotechnology, in terms of manufacturing systems, in terms of so many other things which is literally changing our way of thinking, our way of education, our way of performing. But what remains still and intact is the human mind behind it. So yes, हमको ये technology, ये AI जरूर प्रतिसाद करना है, but इसके पीछे जो हमारा human mind है, उसे भी integrated और integral रखना है, ताकि whatever decisions we take, we are the youth of today, but we have to be there definitely for ourselves, but we have to think bigger and larger, because we have to think national and international. Today, what is Modi ji promoting? Vikasit Bharat 2047. What is Modi promoting? Make in India and make for the world. These are very, very, very long distant but huge dreams. और इसके लिए जरूरत किसकी है? जरूरत कोणाची आहे? ती तुमची जरूरत आहे आणि तुमच्या 100% पार्टिसिपेशनची जरूरत आहे. आपण नागपूरमधनच पाहिलं, काही आयडियाज ज्या होत्या गडकरीजींच्या किंवा देवेंद्रजींच्या, त्याच्यामुळे इट हॅज चेंज द फेस ऑफ नागपूर. And there's so much more to do, but it has changed the face of Nagpur. Can you participate in this flow of bringing about a change? Can you be the change which you wish to see? Can you just not be afraid of failure and just go ahead and try your best into whatever you are best at? You should always remember that success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the desire to continue in any kind of circumstances will make you stand out. So I think so all of you have unique capabilities and qualities which can actually make you stand out in this world. For that, what we need is programs like these, definitely Manthan for youth. We need our teachers, guides, mentors to be by your side. You don't need to be shaped. You already have a certain shape within you, but you need to be mentored. You need to be guided. And that's what all these seniors are there for you. I think so Nagpur has given you a beautiful infra, from beautiful international level, schools and colleges, to infra like metros and the various roadways which Nagpur has given you. Can we fully utilize these and make a huge difference for our city, for our state, for our country? And that's where your true satisfaction will lie. You all have so many beautiful ideas. कितनी प्यारी प्यारी ideas है आपके मन में. उन्हें बाहर आने दीजिए, बेधड़क. And we all are there with you, because you should always remember, there is nothing more powerful than an idea whose time has come. So time has come for your ideas to come out, and time has come for you to blossom and flourish. But with an ethos, with integrity. आप technology use कीजिए, but have that integrity within you as to what it should be used for and what it should not be used for. You can fly the world, be global, but be grounded with your values. There is so much India, Bharat, Maharashtra, Nagpur is expecting from you. And once you spread your wings, I don't think so you have any one to stop you. So friends, my advice would be to you, as I said, be the change. Don't bother about failure. Go global. Take your ideas as far as you can. पर ये सब आप तभी कर पाएंगे जब आप में वो फायर रहेगी, जब में आप में वो मेहनत रहेगी, जेव्हा आपल्यात ती शिस्त आणि आपल्या कामासाठी प्रेम राहील. मला वाटतं प्रत्येकात ते आहे, फक्त त्याला एक डायरेक्शन देण्याची गरज आहे. And I'm sure you all will do it. We all are there with you. And I'm super impressed by the way the program has been arranged, by the way you all have participated. It is a beautiful beginning of love. It is a beautiful beginning of aspirations, inspirations, and keep on doing your great job. आज कोई इस कंपटीशन में जीतेगा 23rd को, कोई नहीं जीतेगा, but that failure doesn't mark your character. It marks your beginning. It marks your stepping stone. So keep on experimenting, keep on experiencing different things and sharing your experiences. That will make Bharat what it is. This much I can tell you, and wish to speak to you soon. Take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Maharashtra.
हे आहे देशातील नंबर 1 न्यूज नेटवर्क आणि आपण पाहत आहात TV9 मराठी, एकमेव.